Subscribe to Niger's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Niger's Craziest does not add review of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, Biko, close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man! Shit, I'm saying! Because Niger we there!
Comedians are absolutely insane. That means evil.
Every headline almost said Pastor Af
just look at this stupid man.
have resurrected a man who was dead. Now,
What is even paining me
I am asking whoever wrote it.
is that he's even denying that it's not fake the miracle.
But he paid you for the miracle, right?
He just paid me half. But he has not paid complete.
Brother, you better make sure you collect your money.
But how am I going to collect the money when I cannot even show my face in the public?
It's true. It's true. You are right, brother. Brother, are you okay? brother, what's wrong? Brother, let me call Af, look out.
No. Don't call Luka, don't call him.
Oh, okay, let me call Ubat Angel.
Come. Are you crazy?
No, brother.
Come, are you mad? Just like from smoke to fire. Okay, now I left the small one. You left the small one. Want to go to the big one?
Yeah, it comes with big fake. Big miracle.
Shut up.
Sorry.
No. Don't call off Luka. Don't call off Luka. You want to leave from smoke to fire? You left the big one. Want to go to the small one?
What should we do? Bro, should I call 911?
No.
Is it not 111 in South Africa?
Brother, wait. Brother, as I'm about to die, don't even carry my body to Africa at all.
Brother, let me get you water. Brother. I'll take you. I will take you. He's going to. I will take you to Africa.
Yeah, calm down. Take me to any Africa. Let me die like this.
Okay.
Zotorobo Show. Zata Rebecca. Olabas. People of God, I want you to know that the Lord will visit your problem today if and only if you believe. You see, people are at home, they are watching me. After they said I fake a miracle, they said, look out, fake miracle. Where is the person that faked the miracle with me today? Oh, Zata Rebecca. If the boy, Elias, cannot come out and say that I faked a miracle with him, then you know that it's the people, Umboro, and the rest of the other prophets that is trying to set me up. But my God will disgrace them. Zata Robo Show. Today I'm seeing a brother in the crowd. You have an ear problem. You have not been hearing since you were small. But now you have grown up. And you are a first timer in this miracle, in this ministry. If you are there, you are wearing a shirt, ash, with red and white. If you are there, my brother, run out now before the spirit will leave you. No, not you. Go back. It's a brother. Go back. Oh. Brother, run out now. You have like 3 seconds for you to... Oh! Fata Rebecca! Zotorobo Show. You can see that he's wearing ash. And he's wearing white and stripe. And he heard that I said he should come out. My brother, you've been deaf for how many years? Oh, Labase. My brother, I said you are deaf, not dumb. You can talk. So tell us how many years?
Okay, I go lie. That this. I'm a small fikin. I can't grow off. You go here, no talk.
My brother, do you believe that today you can receive your miracle?
Yeah, Baba.
You can receive your miracle.
Yes.
Oh, Labase. Oh, Labase. Zata Rebecca. Receive! Can you hear now?
Say?
Can you hear what I'm saying?
Never hear maybe put down for ya. Go ya.
Zata Rebecca. Can you hear me now?
Yes. Say Bamba Rebecca.
Oh my! My brother, you are here. You can go. Let the last miracle seeker come.
You no go give me money.
Go. We'll see later. Go.
Pastor! My brother!
Your brother!
My brother is dead!
Your brother is dead!
My brother is dead!
No, my! Zata Rebecca! Zata Roboso! Me that raised Elliot from the dead before. What makes you think I cannot raise your brother? That voice from the background. Bring your brother that is dead.
Yes, Pastor!
Zata Roboso.
Yes, Pastor!
Santa Rebecca. Oh, Lavas. Zata Rebecca.
Yes, Pastor. Rebecca.
Zata Roboso.
Yes, Pastor.
Oh, my.
Pastor, you have raised him before.
So what is his name?
He's a regular customer, Pastor.
His name is regular customer.
No, you have resurrected him.
What is his name?
You have resurrected him before, so I brought him back here.
Jesus.
Yes, Jesus.
This is Elliot.
No, it's not Desmond Elliot. It's my brother. My brother Elliot.
So you are part of the family members that want to disgrace me in this moment.
No, Pastor. I brought him here for you to resurrect him because you have resurrected him before.
Is he dead?
Pastor, if he's not dead, why will I bring him here?
Because the first time, you people, he was not dead. You went to plan with the funeral service to bring him here. Now is he dead for real?
This one is real, Pastor. It's real, very, very real.
He's dead for real?
Yes, Pastor.
What killed him?
Pastor, you are afraid?
No, see, is he dead for real?
Yes, he's dead for real. That's why I brought him here.
He's cold.
Yes,
he's very cold.
Yes, he died early this morning. We were watching your program on television, and he died. I would have suspected that it was your program that killed him, but I said no. Don't let the devil speak to you. So I said, let me bring him here.
All of us. This miracle cannot take place live on TV. We have to do it at the back.
Pastor,
take him to the back.
You are still owing him his balance from the previous.
Take him to the back. I will meet you people.
The back?
To the back of the church. We are coming now.
Pastor, resurrect him here. Let everybody see that you are a strong, powerful man of God.
See, let me tell you.
Yes, Pastor.
A man cannot die 2 times. He died the first time. I resurrected him.
No,
now he is dead finally. And that is the end. Take your brother and bury him.
Pastor, let me remind you, the first one was brand. It was the fake one. This is the original die.
No, he died the first one. I don't know who planned it, who you and who planned. But me, I know.
Obviously, this is the original die. No. This is the original die.
I don't know who planned it with you, the first one. But this one, he has died. Please, take him away. Thank you. Don't come and cover me in my church. Thank you. Go. Take your brother away from here. Security.
Okay. Pastor, give us the balance from his previous miracle. Let us be able to finance the burial.
There's no problem. I don't know anything about any miracle before. It's you and the family and the funeral service that know what you did. But as a man of God that I am, yes, I'm going to give you something to assist. The church is going to contribute to assist for his burial. I don't know anything about any balance. We'll give you money to assist in his burial.
Pastor, I understand. You don't know anything about the balance. Yes, but you are going to support. Nice one, Pastor. Thank you, Pastor.
Thank you.
Harriet, a pastor.
Come, well, I heard he died of HIV, tuberculosis, and all those sickness. And you are carrying him like this.
The sickness died with him.
Don't come back to my church for miracle. Take him away.
No,
if you contact anything from him, don't come back to this church for miracle. It will not be your first time.
Yes, God forbid, I won't come back. I will go to somewhere else.